And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, entertainers join Tarrus Riley's Don't Worry About a Thing challenge. On the heel of Tyler Perry's He's Got the Whole World challenge, reggae artist Tarrus Riley has put a local twist on the singing challenge, encouraging persons to join the Don't Worry About a Thing challenge.
You're a singer, Tarrus Riley, with a message from the Caribbean to the world. I want all of my singer brethren them sing along. I want everybody sing along. Go on, spread that message far and wide. Don't worry about a thing.
In response, artists including Tessan Chin, Kabaka Pyramid, Stoneboy and Estelle participated in the challenge to spread hope amidst the coronavirus. Don't worry,
because every little thing is gonna be alright.
Tell you don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Now, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has grounded artists. Dancehall artist Kamar Haikon is one such affected artist, as he actively travels between North America and Jamaica for work and family. Speaking with E-Prime, the Sauce Boss assured how he has been impacted by COVID-19.
I still find a way to work around it, understand me? Work from home, studio, write, and just try to compose new songs, new ideas, until this all resumes.
Kamar is currently promoting his new track Sharp, which is from his debut EP Sauces Forever, released back in February. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.